I'm sure that you know Ravie Beauty and you're here because of it, but in case you don't know, founder is Ellie Glines. She is a very big makeup YouTuber. As I heard, the products are really good and I wanted to try her products for such a long time, but because I'm here in Slovenia, I just couldn't bring myself to pay for customs. But then I got a chance that someone brought those products from USA to me. Also, the aesthetics of this brand, it's so my style as well, and I think that for Europe, hint hint, I really think that a lot of people would be interested in this kind of aesthetics. Let's just dive into what I have. I bought 4 products and I think I'm gonna start with the blush. I like the packaging already. So this is the Endless Diffusion Everyday Baked Blush. I bought the shade Paradise. Oh, let's see, so excited. I hope it didn't break. I'm so happy. Okay, yeah, this is baked blush. If you don't know, baked means that at first it's a cream blush and then they bake it like in a big oven and you get this kind of a formula. Okay, so it's like a marble. Let's just swatch it. I'm also super pale, so I never know which shade to pick because most shades turn very like corally or orangey on my face, but I think that this is a good pick. I really do. Ellie Glines is also very, very pale, so I trust her. This feels so smooth, so buttery. I'm excited to put it on and I really like the shade. It has this, it doesn't have like glitter, but it has a shine to it, which, because I have super dry, dehydrated skin, I don't like flat looking skin. And this seems like it's gonna bring a little bit of that glow to my face. At first, when I'm trying blushes, I never know with how much should I start, but I'm guessing because it's a baked blush, I don't need to worry. Let's do this. Oh, I really like that. I really like that it's not too pigmented and you can build it up, because I just don't like those blushes where you need to just slightly dip the brush into the product because it easily gets patchy. It's very hard to work with those kind of blushes, and because of that, most of high-end brands have this more sheer pigmentation that it's buildable because it looks more, you know, effortless, more beautiful on the skin. It doesn't look patchy. Oh my god, I love this shade. I know I'm a big fan, but if I don't like a product, I'm gonna say it. Just so we are clear here. What truly shows how good this product is, I placed secretly with bronzer and a cream highlighter underneath. And as far as I can see, it doesn't look patchy over the top. So this is a really good formula. Like most of blushes would apply very, very patchy on top. So I'm super happy that it worked on top of cream and liquid. If you're a beginner, you want to have blush like this because it's so easy to use. I would say the first product, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Now I would really like to try every single shade. That would be my dream, to try every single product, every single shade, blush, lip treatment, oil, everything. All right, but let's move on with what I have. So I bought Soft Definition Longwear Lip Liner. I bought 2 shades because when I saw Ellie using honey and almond, I thought, are these the right shades? I'm not sure. No, I didn't get the right shade. I wanted Fix so much. Yeah, it's not the right shade. I'm a little bit upset right now, but it doesn't matter. I'm sure it's a lovely shade. So I'm gonna see how the honey looks. Oh, I really like the packaging. And apparently these are really, really long wearing, which I like the most about lip liners because I have super small lips and I like to overline them. And if they're not long wearing, you know, I'm left with that very embarrassing, like a mustache type of look when you can kind of see the lip line, but it's blended in already. So honey and then the almond. Let's swatch the two. Ooh, and they're so creamy, so buttery. This is honey and this is almond. I'm not the best with swatches, as you can see. But I loved the name Fig and the shade Fig, and I loved when she combined Fig and almond. Maybe some other time. Let's take off what I have on, right? I mean, her brand looks somewhere in between Merit and Rev Beauty, like in my eyes. Maybe a little bit of Kosas. And I'm up for it. I'm so up for it. All right, so, and I just wanted to swatch before applying these lip liners. The Effortless lips, of course, I needed to try these as well. And this one is in the shade Dahlia. I'm gonna swatch this one as well. So if I can remember correctly, these have also lip care ingredients. I don't have like the best lip liners to go with this shade. So this is Dahlia. I thought that I'm gonna pair Fig and Dahlia, but that's all right. Let's go in with honey. Oh, these are easy to use. So creamy. I'm actually so excited that I got the shade Honey because it's a perfect everyday contoury lip liner. So I'm not mad about it whatsoever. You know, because it's not too much for everyday. It's just perfect. So this is the shade Honey. Really, really nice. So easy to use. And I like that even though that it's super creamy, it doesn't take all the product, if you know what I mean. Some products, some lip liners are so creamy that you just use them once and you already have to ushilit, no? You know what I mean. So you go through your product super quickly. With micellar water, it's not that easy to remove it. So it means that they are super long wearing. Probably with oil, makeup remover, it's super easy. But yeah, that's a good sign. That's a really good sign. All right, now let's go in with almond. So this one, it's almond. It's a perfect contour lip liner. It's more obvious. It doesn't look like honey, you know. It's not subtle. It's not maybe for everyday. It's more for bold type of lip effect. But I love it because it's perfect shade. And I like that it's not too grayish as well. I'm not sure. Maybe I'm gonna just try Dahlia with both shades. We will see. This scent, it's like very close to L'Oréal Paris lipsticks. Okay, this is super buttery. This really melts into the lips. It feels very comfortable on my lips. I like that it's slim. It's more luxurious in that way. I like that. But you cannot see the true shade because I used almond lip liner underneath. Let's just apply Dahlia without any lip liner. Maybe that's gonna be the best way to go so you can really see how the shade looks. This is supposed to be your everyday, very easy lip product to use without thinking too much about it. So this is super natural shade. It's a little bit lighter than I thought it's gonna be. But I really like the formula. It's so nice on the skin. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. It's not slippery, it's not gonna bleed. Feels super nourishing. I like that. Okay, now let's see Honey and Dahlia. This is like a really nice, super natural lip combo for everyday. Also because I have super dry lips, I really like products like this. I don't like lip products that dry my lips out or that it sits on top and the lips are dry underneath, if you know what I mean. So yeah, now I'm just gonna try to see if I can build up the shade a little bit. You can do that. That's super cool. That's really cool. And because it's a very slim packaging, it's actually very easy to use it on the Cupid's bow. Okay, yeah, I have to say that every single product is 10 out of 10. I'm not kidding you. Not because it's Ellie Glines and her brand. This is insane. I want to try every single product. This is so my style. I love this kind of a more makeup, no makeup, nourishing type of products. And I cannot believe that every single of one it's 10 out of 10. Usually that doesn't happen to me. You know, I can be salty a little bit about some products. I'm super like honest every single time. So yeah, I can see this brand in Sephora. I truly can, although I'm not the biggest fan of Sephora right now because of Huda thing. And if they're gonna go that path, I don't know if they will have customers, and then I don't wish Ravie Beauty to be there, but if they start changing their policy and their behavior, then I think that I can see this brand to be there for sure. Congrats to Ellie Glines on this brand and on the new pregnancy. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you in my next video. Bye.